Hi guys, my name is Tricelle. I am an adult doll collector and I love all things 1/6 scale. Introduced in the first ever blind Barbie Fashionista doll, Barbie partnered with the American Foundation for the Blind to design a doll that accurately portrays someone who is blind or has low vision. And it does also has Braille on this box, which I think is amazing. I love how diverse Barbie is. So I am going to open this doll up so we can take a look at her. But before I do that, I have been collecting and saving all of the packaging because I intend on making a bookshelf so my dolls can have tons of fashionistas like I have tons of fashionistas. So I'm going to get her open and let you see the process. Here's the bookshelf and how it turned out. I wasn't all that straight when I lined up the shelves, and some of the glue is a little sloppy, but I just wanted to be honest and show you everything. Here is Barbie Fashionista 228 right out of the packaging. She's really beautiful. She has brown hair and brown eyes with a natural lip color right out of the packaging. She does have some box hair and can use some help. She comes with gray or silver sunglasses. She wears a satiny pink blouse with a sparkly ruffled skirt. It has a tulle overlay, and she has beautiful lavender heels. Now this beautiful face. She is a little shiny and pixelated, but it's not too bad. And the shirt velcros in the back, and the skirt has an elastic waistband. Here is the cane that came with the doll, and this is how the doll looks with the cane. As far as articulation is concerned, this doll has good rotation at the neck, the shoulder. She has an elbow joint along with movement at the hip. It would have been nice if she had wrist articulation to help better utilize this walking stick. So there you have it, guys. This concludes my review of this beautiful doll. I really enjoy and love that Mattel is adding some more diversity to the Barbie brand. I think it's awesome. If you did like the video, give me a big old thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Until the next time, guys. Bye.